returned from our voyage on the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser, the Halcyon, otherwise known as the Star Wars Hotel at Walt Disney World. This is the 2-night immersive experience that was amazing. I have a lot of videos coming up about our experience, but I wanted to film a haul to show you what we purchased. Everything on the ship is only available on the ship. So the merchandise is exclusive to the Galactic Starcruiser, which made us purchase probably more than we would have if we could have purchased this stuff elsewhere, but knowing that it's only available there, we got a lot. The first thing that we got was a special Halcyon magic band. You get these as soon as you check in. Everyone gets the same magic band. You don't get to choose. They're white and they have the little Halcyon graphic on them. It has my name on the back, and you can use this. It has, I don't know if the design is even showing up, but there we go. You can use this as a magic band just as you would a regular magic band that you get. It is your room key. You can charge to it. It's how you get from the Galactic Starcruiser into Batuu on the day that you go into Hollywood Studios. So this magic band I can continue to use as a magic band. So that's kind of a cool thing. So there is a gift shop at the Galactic Starcruiser in the atrium. I was told that it was only open on day 1 and 2. It's not open on your departure day. In our case, it was open on the departure day, but because we had heard that it's not open the whole time and that things do sell out, so we knew there were specific things that we wanted, so we purchased everything the day that we arrived. Really, we boarded, had lunch, and went over to the gift shop to make sure we got the items that we wanted. This is the first thing that we got. This is the special droid that is only available on the Halcyon. I don't remember the name of it. I know, I'm the worst. I'll see if I can find the name of it and put it down below. Thought it was really cute. We did not need another droid, but because this one is exclusive to the Halcyon, we wanted to go ahead and get it. We did not keep the box. We took it out of the box. We knew that we wanted him going in, so we brought our bag that we have purchased when we purchased droids a couple years ago in Hollywood Studios. So we brought that and then brought him home. So excited to have him. Okay, and this is the next thing that we purchased. Let me turn it on. So I think that this is showing up white in the camera, but it's actually a really pretty blue. I'll see if I can find a picture of it so you can see. I'm gonna turn this off because it's making a lot of noise. I'll see if I can find a picture so you can actually see the true color of this, but it's a really pretty blue. This is it has a special name. It is the Halcyon Starcruiser Training Lightsaber Hilt. It is a legacy lightsaber, only available on the Halcyon. It has some orange on there. It just says unscrew the bottom to replace the batteries. But that's what that looks like. And then we got a new blade for the hilt to go with this. So unlike other lightsabers that you can purchase in Galaxy's Edge, when you build your lightsaber at Savi's workshop and you get to choose the color that your blade will be, this you don't have a choice. It is blue. You cannot exchange the crystals. You cannot change them out. You can't purchase another one and change it. The lightsaber will light up blue regardless of the blade that you put in it. Let me show you the box really quick. This is the box that it came on, which has the Halcyon logo on it. And then here is the inside. So with this lightsaber, you can put like a little initial. This is I can't think of what the language is, but the Star Wars language, the alphabet. Does it say what it is? I don't think it does. And so you can put that little initial on the lightsaber. It pops out and you can change it out, which is kind of cool. And then it does sit in here. We put it back in here to bring it home, but I think we're actually going to display this one. But we wanted to save the box that it came in, and then the blade. We did purchase a blade, and I was told, I don't know if this is true or not, this is just what I was told, that this blade is only available on the Halcyon. This is a 26-inch lightsaber blade. They did sell the blades, they're bigger blades that you can buy in Galaxy's Edge and that come with the lightsabers when you build them at Savi's workshop. They are smaller than this blade. This was, I don't know, maybe, 6 inches shorter maybe. I don't know what size the other ones are, but that is the blade. As you can see, it's short. That's the blade that we put on this lightsaber. Next we got this. This is the captain's hat. This is for my son. He wanted it. It was $29.99, which is pretty cool. And if you're an annual pass holder, and maybe DVC, I don't know if DVC also gets a discount, but we got discounted merch. We did not get a discount on, I want to say it was either the Droid and or the lightsaber, but let me look because I have the receipt right here. Okay. So you do not get a discount, an AP discount on the lightsaber or the Droid, but everything else we got 20%, so that's not bad. So my son got this little hat. It was $29.99. And I should say, if you want to know the prices, the Droid was $99.99, and then the hilt for the lightsaber was $170. Woo! And then the blade was $44.99, but we did get an annual pass discount on that. Then we got this. This is the Halcyon Starcruiser training shield. So the name of the Halcyon is part of the Chandrella star line, which would be like the cruise line, I guess. So if you're familiar with like Disney Cruise Line, it would be like Disney Cruise Line, and then the ship would be like, if it's the Magic or the Fantasy or whatever, it would be the Halcyon. So that kind of puts that into perspective. A lot of things are called the Chandrella. This was $34.99. We did get an annual pass discount on it. This is plastic, but when you do your lightsaber training, you do use these, what are they called? Training shields. So my son wanted it. It's just plastic and just a little prop. Kind of fun if we're battling with our lightsabers. Next, I got an ornament, and I'm actually surprised that it made it home because it's glass. So this is part of the Chandrella Starline ornament. It was $29.99. It is glass. It is like a black smoked glass. It has like planets on there. Do you see that? Kind of a little hard to see. And then inside of it is the Halcyon starship. So I collect ornaments. I like glass ornaments, and thought that this would be fun to put on the Christmas tree. I actually don't think I'm going to put it on the Christmas tree. I have some hanging like things where I can hang special ornaments is probably what I'm going to do with that, but that's that. Next, I got this cape, and it is like silk and velvet. It's beautiful. I think it might actually be velvet, and it has this really pretty little clasp right here. It is Velcro, which I don't love. I have a friend who's a seamstress. I'm actually thinking I'm gonna have her kind of take it apart and put like a hook and eye there to make it just a little bit nicer. I'm not crazy about that, but I thought that this was gorgeous. I'm gonna insert a picture because I don't think that you get the full effect of what this is by me just kind of holding it, but it has this nice little hood, and then it's just a cape that goes over your shoulders, and it's not very long. They had a full-length cape like this, which I absolutely loved and I really, really wanted, but I knew I really wouldn't wear that anywhere. Whereas this, I feel like in the winter, I live in Michigan, it's cold here, and I thought in the winter, if I go out to dinner or something, I could wear like dark jeans and maybe like a black long sleeve bodysuit or t-shirt or something, and then put this over. So I thought I could kind of maybe wear this again, which I would definitely wear it again because I think it's absolutely beautiful. And this was $79.99. It's called a capelet is what they're calling it. And then of course I got the annual pass discount, so I didn't think that was too bad. Okay, then my husband got a pen, a writing pen, and I can't really, it's not gonna let me take it out, and I don't want to take it out. It says something on there in the Star Wars language. I'm gonna say it probably says like the Halcyon or something. This pen was $39.99. It's a really nice writing pen. He wanted it. He'll probably take it to work. It's kind of fun. And then my son got a number of patches he recently got a jean jacket and had a couple patches that used to be my husband's, and so he wanted to kind of make a patched jean jacket, so he got this one. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea. This one was $9.99. Actually, I'm kind of thinking that maybe we didn't get this one on the Starcruiser. I feel like we got it at that Star Wars store in Disney Springs, but I could be totally wrong. We could have got it on there. I just don't think we did because it doesn't say the Chandrila Starline like the others do. That's why I think we got it somewhere else. But then we got these two. So we got one that says Halcyon with the Starcruiser, and then one that says Chandrila Starline. Each one of these was $9.99 as well. Okay, so now for the things that I kind of picked up along the way, we took these coasters. We collect coasters like this. These were at dinner. It says Chandrila Starline. And then these coins. I have 4 of them. And they have, it says Halcyon, Starcruiser, and on the back it actually shows the Halcyon. These are metal, as you can see, as you can hear. Yeah, these were sitting at our table for dinner on the first night. And then on our last night, this was in our room. So it is the same, it was on our bed when we came back from dinner. It's the same thing. It's just in like a little baggie. And then for unknown reasons, we saved our little place cards. So we were at the captain's table for dinner, and this place card was on our table. Then we got these, and these, let's see if it'll focus. What does it say? It says Halcyon Starcruiser Passenger, and these pins, we each got one to go onto Batuu so that they knew that we were on the Starcruiser. We each got one of those. We actually didn't wear them because they fell off right away and I didn't want to lose them. So we have 3 of those. And then we took these. So one of our missions was in Oga's Cantina, and you don't have to go into Oga's to receive this. You can ask at the door, but we had a reservation for Oga's, so this was part of our mission. So we saved those. All of your food and beverage is included, not alcoholic beverages, just sodas, water, that kind of stuff, unlimited blue and green milk. And so the dining room was open from like 6 a.m. until 4 p.m. and then from 4 to midnight, I guess, there were snacks available in the atrium. The dining room closed at 4 and then to set up for dinner, and then dinner was at 5:30. And I think the next dinner was at 7:15, maybe 7:30. We were early dinner. And then after that, there were some more snacks up available in the atrium. We took some back to our room and didn't finish them. So the first thing we have is, I don't even know what this is, Starcruiser popcorn. So this is a little bit spicy. It's a cheddar popcorn that has a little bit of a kick to it. We got that. And then here is a Rice Krispie Raspberry Starcruiser. And on the label, it has the ingredients and it'll say whatever allergens are on there. So it's just basically a strawberry Rice Krispie treat. There was also a cake bar. I think it got smashed and didn't make it home. And then we have a cookie. This cookie has seen better days. It says Rice Krispie Asteroid Ball. I don't think I tried this one. So those are just some of the snacks that are available. They're all prepackaged. There was also like a little container where you could get nuts. And then there was always water available in the atrium. You had a bottle of water in your room that you refilled in the atrium. if the dining room was closed. And then in the Starlight Lounge, there was drinks if you wanted a soda or alcoholic beverage. And then there were also often cocktail waitresses going around that you could order drinks from. Like, we sometimes just got like an iced tea from them. Okay, then we did get in our room one night this little comic book. I think this was on the last night. It says Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser Halcyon Legacy. As a comic book. I have not looked at it, but brought it home. Yeah, it's just a comic book. Brought it home. So the interesting thing to note is that anything that you purchase on the Galactic Starcruiser makes no mention of the Galactic Starcruiser. Everything is referred to as either Chantrella, Chantrella Starline, or the Halcyon. Anything you purchase. So there's no note of anything Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser, any of that is noted inside of the Starcruiser. When you leave on the last day, there's a little, I don't even want to call it a gift shop, a little stand that has Galactic Starcruiser items. So we did pick up a few items there. Namely, I got this t-shirt and it just says Galactic Starcruiser. It is just a white, a little bit oversized t-shirt. It got a little, I haven't washed it yet, it got a little wrinkled in my suitcase. So I just thought that that was cute. I wanted something to commemorate it. There were not a lot of options. There was like 2 t-shirts. This is more of a fitted t-shirt. There was a men's t-shirt. And then there were like pins. There was water bottles. My son got a few things. My son got this patch and it says Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser. I don't know what it says right there. I'm going to assume it says Halcyon. I thought this was interesting because it does say Chantrella Starline on it, but it does say Galactic Starcruiser, but this was not available in the gift shop. This was outside as we left. And then he got this pin. He doesn't collect pins. He just thought he liked this pin. Hopefully you can see it. It says Star Wars and has the Galactic Starcruiser. And then he got this pen, which was nice. This pin was $12.99. This one was also $12.99, and it says Galactic Starcruiser, and then you open it up and you see it in there. Isn't that cool? Okay, well that is everything that we purchased on the Galactic Starcruiser. It doesn't feel like a lot. It was a lot. I feel like all these items were on the expensive side, but we were really excited to go. I have a lot of videos coming up talking more about the Galactic Starcruiser, our experience, what you can expect, is it worth it? But I just wanted to share the things that we purchased on it. I also have a Walt Disney World haul. We also spent some days at Walt Disney World while we were there. That will probably be the next video that comes up. I ordered a few things that are not here yet. I had to ship them home because we ran out of room. So as soon as those items come, I'll go ahead and post that video. Okay, so tell me in the comments below which item that we picked up on the Galactic Starcruiser is your favorite. I love my cape. I think that that's my favorite, although I think that droid is really, really cute. I already have some ideas. I'm going to do some rearranging here in my office, and when that's done, I'll share with you what we've done. I have to wait for the items that we shipped home. So tell me in the comments below which item that we purchased is your favorite. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I have more Walt Disney World and Starcruiser videos to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.